Water cooling has become a popular choice for PC enthusiasts seeking optimal performance and noise reduction. Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the PC cases with water cooling you can buy. By replacing traditional air cooling with a liquid-based system, water cooling can significantly lower temperatures, allowing for higher overclocks and improved system stability. A key component in building a water-cooled PC is the case itself, which provides the structural framework and necessary mounting points for the radiator, pump, and other components of the water cooling loop. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. At number 6 is NZXT H510. The NZXT H510 is a popular choice among PC enthusiasts seeking a balance of style and functionality. This mid-tower case offers a sleek design, excellent cable management features, and ample support for water cooling. One of the standout features of the H510 is its tempered glass side panel with a single screw installation. This makes it easy to showcase your build and admire the internal components. Additionally, the front I/O panel includes a USB Type-C port for convenient device connectivity. NZXT's patented cable routing kit simplifies the wiring process, with pre-installed channels and straps that guide cables through the case. This helps to maintain a clean and organized interior. The included two Air F120mm fans ensure optimal airflow, while the removable filters on the front panel and PSU intakes help to keep dust out. On number 5 is Lian Li O11 Vision. The Lian Li O11 Vision is a premium mid-tower case designed to showcase your PC components in stunning detail. In collaboration with the PC Master Race community, Lian Li has created a case that offers unparalleled visibility and customization options. The O11 Vision features 3 sides of tempered glass panels, providing an unobstructed view of your system from virtually any angle. The glass panels are supported by corner magnets that can withstand up to 35 kilograms of force, ensuring stability and durability. To facilitate optimal airflow, the O11 Vision features 27mm tall feet and a hollowed-out fan bracket with 13mm elevation. This allows for ample cold air intake to reach your core components. The bottom bracket can accommodate up to 3 140mm or 120mm fans for additional cooling. For those who prefer more rear exhaust, you can mount 2 120mm fans at the back of the case. Alternatively, you can install a 240mm radiator and opt for a single 120mm fan at the back for extra radiator space at the bottom. The Lian Li O11 Vision is a case that caters to the needs of PC enthusiasts who demand the best in terms of aesthetics and performance. Its transparent design and versatile cooling options make it an ideal choice for those looking to create a truly show-stopping build. At number 4 is Bgears Optillusion PC ATX. The Bgears Optillusion PC ATX is a visually stunning case that offers a unique optical illusion effect with its front ARGB panel. This mesmerizing design adds a touch of personality to your build and creates a captivating atmosphere. In addition to its striking aesthetics, the Optillusion PC ATX provides excellent airflow thanks to its massive design. The case can accommodate up to 8 fans, ensuring that your components remain cool and stable even under heavy loads. The case supports a variety of motherboard form factors, including eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of builds, from high-end gaming rigs to compact workstations. For water cooling enthusiasts, the Optillusion PC ATX offers multiple radiator mounting options. You can install a 240mm or 360mm radiator in the front, a 240mm or 280mm radiator on top, and a 120mm radiator in the rear. To keep your case clean and dust-free, the Optillusion PC ATX features a top magnetic washable dust filter. This filter is easy to remove and clean, helping to maintain optimal airflow and performance. On number 3 is ASUS TUF Gaming GT501. The ASUS TUF Gaming GT501 is a rugged and reliable mid-tower case designed to meet the demands of gaming enthusiasts. Featuring a metal chassis and panels with a distinctive TUF gaming spatter pattern, the GT501 offers a durable and stylish exterior. The 4mm thick smoked, tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your components. To keep your system cool, the GT501 comes equipped with 3 120mm Aura Sync RGB illuminated fans and a 140mm rear PWM fan. The case also offers up to 7 optional fan mounting points for additional cooling options. For those who prefer liquid cooling, the GT501 is ready to accommodate your setup. It supports top or front mounted 360mm radiators, a rear mounted 140mm radiator, and pre-drilled water pump reservoir mounting holes, the GT501 provides ample expansion options, with a vertical GPU expansion slot and 7 traditional expansion slots. This allows you to build a powerful and versatile system. The case also features ergonomic, woven cotton carry handles, making it easy to transport your PC to LAN parties or other events. With a weight capacity of up to 65 pounds, the GT501 can handle your system with ease. At number 2 is Vetroo K1 Pangolin. The Vetroo K1 Pangolin is a distinctive mid-tower case that stands out from the crowd with its unique pangolin-inspired design. The case's shape and ventilation holes provide excellent airflow, helping to keep your components cool and stable. The K1 Pangolin features 2 transparent tempered glass side panels, offering a clear view of your internal components. The panels are easy to install with screws, allowing for quick and convenient access to your system. For those who prefer water cooling, the K1 Pangolin can support up to 7 120mm fans and a maximum 360mm water cooler. This provides ample cooling capacity to handle even the most demanding workloads. The case is compatible with a variety of motherboard form factors, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX. It also offers storage options for up to 2 SSDs and 2 HDDs. Additionally, the K1 Pangolin can accommodate CPU coolers up to 170mm tall and GPUs up to 350mm long. Overall, the Vetroo K1 Pangolin is a well-designed and versatile mid-tower case that offers a unique aesthetic and excellent performance. Its combination of airflow, cooling support, and compatibility make it a great choice for PC builders looking for a standout case. Now moving to the last one is GIM ATX Gaming PC. The GIM ATX Gaming PC is a high-performance system that offers a combination of power, style, and versatility. The mid-tower case provides ample space for up to 10 120mm GIM ARGB fans, ensuring excellent cooling and stunning lighting effects. The case is compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, giving you flexibility in your component choices. The 2 4mm thick tempered glass side panels offer a clear view of your internal components, allowing you to showcase your build. The spacious interior of the GIM ATX Gaming PC makes it easy to install components, including 3x 2.5-inch SSDs, 2x 3.5 HDDs, a motherboard, 10x 120mm ARGB fans, a maximum 400mm GPU, and a water cooling system with support for 360mm, 240mm, and 120mm radiators. Behind the motherboard tray, you'll find a large space for hidden cable management, helping to keep your build clean and organized. The case also includes a dust filter and a top magnetic strip dust filter to protect your components from dust and debris. The GIM ATX Gaming PC is equipped with 1x USB 3.0 port, 2x USB 2.0 ports, 1x HD audio, an LED button, power, and reset buttons. The USB cable is shielded wire, ensuring reliable data transmission without interference. So guys, this was the video about the PC cases with water cooling. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.